Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Please don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get into it. Hi, we're back at it again. It's your boy, Chef Bouka. So today we decided, you know what? We're going to do something a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? We're going to make Ghanoush. We're going to touch on the Mediterranean side of what I do best, cooking. You know what I'm saying? In Jamaica, we see eggplant. You know, we think eggplant, we can't utilize it in a lot of ways. We can utilize eggplant in a lot of ways. I'm going to show you a way to utilize this. Don't forget it. Check my ingredients out. So, Ghanoush, how we're going to deal with it now, twist it a little bit different. This is sesame seed puree, tahini, you know what I'm saying? That's going to go in there. We got some extra virgin olive oil, for sure. We got salt and pepper. We got lime or lemon juice, 2 is good enough. And we got roasted garlic, you know what I'm saying, in olive oil as well. And last but not least, we have the eggplant. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with one eggplant. And then we're going to come back and we're going to get into all of that thing. Got my oven going right now. I got the oven at 400 because we're going to roast it in the oven as well. Alright. So, we're going to peel it. And don't worry if this kind of oxidized a little bit. Don't really do anything to it because you're going to roast it. You're going to change the color anyway. But try to get off as much as this part off it. Because this part doesn't really roast too well because you want to try to puree it, like make it soft and nice. So you won't peel off all of this purple skin or black skin, whatever. And if you have the Japanese one, you still can use it. They're more longer and nice and soft, but they still can work the same way. So I'm gonna put this aside. No, I don't like to work in dirty space, but we'll make it happen. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna slice them like this. Make it cook easier. Okay. Then I'm gonna add, you know what? If you wanna watch me peel this, or when we come back, we're gonna get into the rest of it. I'm gonna clean my counter up a little bit. I'm gonna peel this other one again. So when you come back, everything will be fully peeled and ready to go, all right? We're gonna get into it. So yeah, I was talking about when we come back, so peel all of them. You know, if you have a little bit of this and it is okay. You know, you want to deal with it quick before they start oxidize, changing color, which is not a problem because we're going to roast it in the oven anyway. So olive oil. And this thing is like a sponge, so you're going to soak up the olive oil. So it'll probably like you don't have anything but in it, but it's like a sponge, so it's going to soak it up. So what I try to do, put a little bit on the bottom itself. You know, then salt and pepper. Normally I grill this on the grill outside to get a better flavor out of it. So as I said, Ghanoush, check it out. You know, or you can call it eggplant puree if you want, you know, familiar with that word. Alright, so that's it. We're gonna roast it in the oven for 15 minutes. Normally I just, if I'm, you know, using the grill, I get some grill mark on it. Just to kind of get the grill flavor into it, then pop it in the oven for 15 minutes, same, and let it cook, and then we're gonna get into the next part of it. So you don't have to worry about they sticking on each other or sitting on each other, because they're gonna cook real easy and melt easily. Alright, in the oven at 400, roasted. I'm gonna put it for 15 minutes. Alright, when we come back, we're going to show you the next process when we get into it. Alright? Alright, so this is what you're looking for. Roast it 20 minutes. Sometimes it all depends on how you cut it. It'll probably take a little longer to cook. So you want to cook it until it's soft. See that? So you're looking for softness. I'm gonna put it in over here. If you don't have a little rubber coupe, this rubber coupe is cheap, so you could get one, or you could use your blender, whichever one is okay for it. That's it. Yeah. Just like that. So you know, when we see eggplant in Jamaica, we're thinking soup or some form of vegetable cooked down. There is a lot of things you can do with eggplant. And if you guys want to learn some more ideas cooking with eggplant, and this is 100% vegan as well. Make it gonna be like a spread. You can eat it with some vegetables, you know what I'm saying? And all of that. So roasted garlic, maybe like 4 cloves. You know, this is garlic oil, so you can put a little bit in there as well. Like salt and pepper, as always, a little bit more. Don't forget you already seasoned it with some salt and pepper. Olive oil. Okay. Find it right over here. A little bit of olive oil, because you're going to need it as well in it. Then we're going to put this on. We're going to buzz it a bit. And then we're going to see what's going on from there. Alright. We're going to keep buzzing it, so when we come back, if you're not to hear this buzzing nice, you're going to time off for now, okay? Alright, so still a little bit warm, you guys can see what I'm saying right there. So if you can get it to cool down completely, that'll be better for you, but you can work whichever way you want to work. So now I'm going to add the lemon or the lime, which whenever you have. I'm going to do 2 because it's supposed to have a little bit like tangy taste in it. So this got a lot of juice. Maybe I do 1.5. These are nice. A lot of juice. Look at that. Such a small lemon, eh? So I'm just going to do 1.5, and then we'll taste it and tell you, you know, what it tastes like. Alright, it's good. So now we're gonna add the sesame paste, tahini. You want to make sure, you know, you mix it up a little because it's always kind of stuck in the bottom. Because it's just like island sesame seed. It's just like peanut butter, but with sesame seeds in here. You don't want to put too much because it's a very distinct taste. You want to make sure you don't put too much in here as well. Add a bit more olive oil. Put back the cover on, and we're gonna buzz it for a little bit more. And don't forget, we already add salt and pepper to it when we're roasting it, and salt and pepper when we finish. Okay, so we're gonna start buzzing, and you know, we gotta pause the video for this one. If you guys want to listen to the night, just start and see what happens. Alright, as we said before, Ghanoush, different style, a way of executing an eggplant, so you can consume it in whichever way you want to. But this way is simple, easy, nice, yet still very flavorful. Don't forget, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's check the presentation out. So you want to make sure it's puree like that. You know what I'm saying? This can go in the blender as well if you don't have a rubber coupe. Alright? It's fine in the blender as well. So pop this off. I'm gonna put some in this right here. Because normally you serve it like this. You can eat it with bread, biscuit, you know, some tough crackers, whatever you choose. you know, some crudité, like some carrot celery. You know what I mean? I say a tomato, whatever you like to eat it with. Set it up nice, you know. What I normally do when I serve it, I just put a little thing like that in there. A little bit of oil on top. Garnish it with a little bit of black and white sesame. You know? Simple and easy. Does it? You know what I'm saying? Simple, easy, nice, flavorful. When I say flavorful, I mean real flavorful. You could eat this all day like a spread. You know, instead of peanut butter, this can be your peanut butter. And it's 100% vegan. Very healthy as well. Alright? That's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, share, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace.